guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am showing you the Lego, and the building that I showed you in the last video has been deleted because I made something more nice. And also, what happened? And also, please subscribe. Dito, why don't you have shoes? I'm just gonna put you guys here. I hope you don't see the new Lego. But now I'm gonna show you the big Lego right now. Yes. What are you saying? So just wait guys, I'm gonna do something. Butunet already. Butunet. But why is this not tunet? Tunet. Okay. Guys, the leather is coming right now. And this is the new leather. I hope you guys like it. And also, if you like this video, if you like this video, please subscribe. And also, let me just tell you something. Look at this bowl. Oh, finally, you can see it. Remember the biting video? You cannot see it, right? Now you can see it. Anyways, I'm gonna give you a tour with this thing because I think you're too excited for this thing. So, let me just give you a tour. And also guys, there's a partner with this thing, and I'm gonna show you this later. So I'm just gonna show you first the balcony. So right over here, the balcony. Tito, what are you doing? Okay, just wait for a second. Give me that, you don't have permission, bro. Don't steal one of my airplanes. Okay. Jacob, don't steal one of my leathers. I'm gonna be watching you. Yeah. Now I'm sitting with this thing. Where are you guys over there? So now I'm gonna show you the balcony. At the balcony, you can see 2 fountains and 2 plants. And let me just arrange them for a while. Let me just put you here so that will be more nice. Okay. That's very awesome. So guys, right over here we have a plant. 1 plant only, and that's it guys. And guys, as you can see, there is 2 plants right over here. That's for decoration. But over here, there's just random pillows for random pillows. This is the siren for if in case there's an emergency that is happening to this trailer, or there's a fire, like that. And also, as you can see, there is a people. No. Go to mommy, please stop. No. Yes. Okay. So anyways, right over here we have. So right over here we have. Right over here we have 2. Right over here we have 2. Can you stop bothering me? Go to mommy. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay, right over here we have 2 dolls sitting each other, and I don't know what's the other seat. So I don't. It's a boy. Yeah. So anyways, right over here, we have a boy at the front. This is the front of the trail. Right over here, we have the side of the trail. We have a doll. We have the other side of the trail. And there's a man here. And at the butt of the trail, there is a man then. Oopsies. Okay, boy. So guys, have you wondered what this is, guys? Have you wondered what this is? It's an attachment because this is a trail, right? So right over here, I'm gonna show you the outside of this. Why did this fall off? I'm just gonna show you first the wheels because I think you like the wheels. So right over here we have 2 white wheels, and the other side we have 1 black wheel and a yellow wheel. Please, I accidentally bought you. So guys, I'm gonna now show you that right over here we have the right over here we have the entrance. And this will be hard because I'm going to remove the ceiling because I will show you the inside. Okay, this will be hard. Okay, I should... Oh. Why am I breaking this right now? Oh, yeah. So, you just need to remove this thing. Oh, OMG. Some of this just broke. So that's so... sorry, Botany. I'm just doing my business. Okay, what the cinema now? I'm breaking the trail. Seriously, I break the trail. Okay, now I should put this back because I want to put it back. Now, I thought that was the pieces. Ooh. That boy just died. Busted. So anyways, I'm just putting these things. Please put white here. Let's just show you something for white this week. Hello, wolves. Okay, I'm putting you right here. Wait. I forgot I meant to. Let me just remove you. 1, 2, 3. And I'll show you the inside of the tray. Just wait for a sec. It's 8 minutes video. Hello, why are you not attaching? Why is this ball not attaching? Finally. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you this window. Whatever you oopsie, I forgot something. Why Right now I'm putting this kid. Okay. Now you will what? You will shoot right now. Okay, you shoot. Okay, we're shooting right now. Hey, where did Bo stumble? Who did this, Bo? And also guys, I made this trail by myself. So right over here, we have the indoors, but first, I have something. Right over here, what is that? Oh, there's a light. What just happened? What? Snap in half of them. No, this is not good. don't know why is this even happening. Hello, vending machine. Okay, guys. I hope this does snap in half again. And that'll be okay. Well, okay. Right over here we have a toilet, and here's the entrance for the toilet. And also, right over here you can see oopsie, it's the toilet bar with a flashing level and a sink, a golden sink. And this is that for you guys because the table is right above us. Okay, right over here we have a vending machine, and we have a tooting man. We have a man that is tooting the food. Right over here, no, this is breaking. Right over here you can see a man chill. Right over here you can see a man chilling with ice cream and a doll. This man, the doll is this man's wife. And right over here, the kid. This is the, yeah, this is the kid. And also, ooh, no, I hate. Ooh. And also, that's all for the inside. And also, right over here, we have a siren in case if there's a fire. So, I hope you like this video because this is gonna be the end of the video that I show you because it's kind of small but it's okay. This is the front. Oh, but yeah, front. Boom, boom. Today you are getting attached. It's now 12 minutes until I show you the trailer, guys. What the cinema? Now, why is this not attaching? Hello. Okay, finally, I hear some. Ooh, wait, I think this is, guys. I think this is splitting in half because I can feel it right now. Oh, it's splitting in half, I think. But why aren't you attaching? Okay, guys, we're done attaching this ceiling. Now let's attach the other one. Why is this not even attaching for a single time? But attach already. I am hit. I'm putting connection so that it can connect. Okay, now we finally connected. So guys, the man was downstairs now cooking because that's his job from me. I'm the boss of this trio. Customers can do everything. Anything, I mean. Okay, hello. This is a big barrier. Oopsies, I've made a mistake. This is a big barrier and I like it so much. No, it's from the front. I'm putting you in the back. Since I like the back. I hate when this tray is splitting in half. You will move. You are in. And also guys, what I'll be playing with the Lego because I want to play right now. But first I haven't I'm not done showing you guys the trail. I mean the rest of the Legos because I have so many Legos. Let's do. Please donate. Let's do. Let's do. Please donate. Let's do. Please donate. So wow. Okay, I just gonna be using this button. So guys, I have another ladder one. Can you try it? So guys, right over here we have a towel that is for the trail. What inside here we have a driver, only a driver. There's no passenger because this towel is also small, like very small. So guys, this is for the trail, and I have something to show you that how to play this game. Okay, what? Now you always disconnect. Okay, that's what over here we have the trail moving right now. I don't think if this is the proper way to put it. Oh yeah, it's because it's one. I know where you live. Yeah, what? Oh. So there's something on the ladder box. Yeah, what? Oh. Goodbye. Guys, we are changing the wheel of this trail because something's wrong with this thing. Okay, that's ooh. Now it's full. So now finally it works. Ooh, what's another? Is anything not working? Okay, everything's working. Yes, let me see what happened. Finally. So guys, I'm going to show you how this trail works and what happened. I'm going to show you how this trail works, and please. Okay. This is okay, it's spinning around for no reason, but it's moving. Hello today. The trail is leaving without this die. Oh no. Okay guys, we're gonna move into the next ladder right now, since we're done with the trail. Okay, well, today we are putting a light. So the next ladder we have is just wait. What this? Oh yeah, that's why. I spent 1,000 hours, 1,000 more. Now why is this not free? Oh, and just be like this, huh? The light for the towel. Oh yeah, my brother. So guys, the next ladder is move. This is a flame. So guys, this airplane has been updated, but the last video it's updated, but now it's more updated. So anyways, by the way, we have the front, and also guys, if you see the shot that I uploaded, the taking off and the landing one, the airplane like this, you can see all the sizes of the all the sides of the airplane, what looks like, and that video hasn't showed the engine. So hello, there's two engines on this airplane. So right over here we have two landing gears at the back and one landing gear at the front that has an orange light. And right over here down this airplane we have a light. Oopsie. Let's try not do this. Okay. Right over here we have an orange light, another orange. Oh wait. Right over here we have a red light and another red light and another red light. And right over here we have two red lights, and I don't know what's that for, and two red lights again. Green lights. This is green lights. And there's some more. Right over here, do you see this hole? I'm gonna do something. So guys, do you see this white over here? Do like this and then water will come out, but it's leather. There's 6 pieces in here. And to return the leather water, just put it right over here and then close it. Right over here we have a fire sign because this is a fire airplane, but it is baliktad because of the camera. But over here, this is not 20. This is 05. It looks like 20 because it's baliktad. And we have 05 then right here. And right over here at the tail, we have a nice little light. And we have the fire sign for the tail. And this one is for, this things is for going up and down. And I don't know why there are no flaps in this airplane, because there is flaps in Roblox games. Like airplane. Like Player Training Simulator. Right over here we have a not malfunctioning window that doesn't open and close. But right over here we have a malfunctioning window that open and closes. You can also use that for aircon. Because the airplane is going very fast, and the air, yeah. And also I'm gonna show you POV for the opening. Open and close. Open and close. No. Right over here we have a pilot, and I think this is a tow pilot. This is what the signal. Why are you here now? There's a big. Wait. I'm recording. OMG, what just happened? Nah, the window just broke. So that's the window broke at the trail. Because, I don't know. Well, yes? No. No? Dito, what? So guys, I'm trying to fix this trail right now. Try na button. Sure. Okay guys, let's just tune out this window. Nah, I'm minding my own business. Why not? Okay, why is this not tuneting? Tune it. Okay, this is Tunatin. This is Tunatin, guys. It's Tunatin. Let's go. Okay, guys, it just connected. And also, I forgot to show you guys that there is a non-functioning window in this tray too. It's this. Okay, now I'm waiting the tray. And I'll show you POV for non-functioning window. Okay, not again.
Happy anniversary.
Not. Guys, this will take a while. Okay, guys, this is not looking too good. Okay, guys, I cannot attach this thing, but and also, guys, I don't know what's happening to this tray.
Bye-bye.
So, guys, finally, I fixed it. I hope nothing that's destroyed doesn't. And also, I'm gonna show you POV with the malfunctioning window. Ooh, yeah. This window is for the kid. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, what the cinema now display you this book. Okay, now I'm gonna show you I forgot. Okay, guys, we're done with this fire airplane, and oh, I forgot. Right over here we have water dam, and right over here we have another water dam in the other side, and there's two windows in this. I mean, two engines in this airplane, and two windows in this airplane. Tito, what are you doing? Mine. Okay, guys. So the next Lego is this thing. It's kinda awesome. Whatever it's more awesome because you can spin the engine, but it's not non-functioning. Yeah. But what is that? Get to stop, please. Okay, guys, I know what to do with this thing, just with spinning by its own. And also, guys, you can spin the two engines, and there's two engines in this airplane. So right over here, this is a different airplane. So right over here, I forgot to tell you guys that that there's a blue water tank and another blue water tank, And right over here we have Taudo. What here? This is also a Taudo plane, not only a fire airplane. Next, this is only a Taudo airplane. So whatever you can open this tin. And you can also open this tin. And also as you can see, there's a light. I built that thing. And also this has been upgraded because of the light. And also this airplane has the same landing gear as the fire and Taudo airplane. Whatever here we have two landing gear, nice two landing gear. I mean two butt landing gear and one landing gear at the front. And also, I'm gonna show you the pilot. This is the pilot dice. It's just a doll, but it's okay. So that will be all with this airplane. And also there's a light here, and there's a red light here, and there's a white light here. There's a orange light here. Orange light right over here. So that's all with this airplane. Okay, next we have this thing. This is for removing things when I'm building this thing. And whenever we have a Tamawa, this Tamawa belongs to this bike. Ooh. It have 3 wheels in this bike. 2 wheels at the front and 1 wheel at the back. Right over here is Taudo. And as you can see, this Taudo inside, it's just a bunch of Totsit Watto, and then Watto, and then I don't know the other one. Okay, next, let me just get something. The next thing we have a man that is for flying, and this is Watto done for putting Watto, and it's the same as this, but it's not the same because of this. So the next one. Okay guys, I am bringing this thing. So right over here we have a Tampo Van, and this is upgraded. Right over here we have a green, and we have another green and a top. So you can open this thing. Right over here we have a table for 2, and this is food for the Tampo Van, and right over here we have the driver, and this is the passenger. And also guys, this is a passenger, but I'm gonna be removing this and putting it to the trailer. Wait. So no. So anyways, as I was saying, right over here we have 4 wheels. Okay, I break this. So I was saying there is 4 wheels in this Tampo Van. Right over here we have a light on the back and light on the front, and there is also upstairs. So, oopsies. And also this is the glass for looking back. And okay, baby, what the Sigma? Buffalo. Okay, right over here we have this is the baby, and this is the baby holder for the mommy. And right over here we have a bed. And also this is next to the balcony. And I haven't shown you the balcony yet, so I'm gonna show you right now. Right over here, right over here we have a chair and then some drinks and the barrio. Jacob, can you Mommy, can you let him? Mommy, can you let him?
Just wait, just wait.
And also guys, I have changed the wheels of the trail. Jacob, can you move? No. No? Yeah? Come. And I'll give you watermelon. Come. Ooh. Go to mommy and... Ooh. Nah, boy.
You got hurt?
Yeah.
Yeah. On your head?
Okay, right over here, I changed the wheel of the trail because it hasn't been working. So now it's the white one. So yeah. So what else do we have that I haven't shown you? Oh yeah, I forgot to show you this. Right over here, this is a party. Right over here, this is a party spot for the temple one and the trail or the town. And it's very awesome to me. So next, what this? So guys, this is the fire trees. Right over here, you can rotate the trees, the fire trees, and this is the ground, what it looks like. So I'm gonna show you the last ladder. Right over here, we have the ice cream shop. So right over here, we have a dog and barrio, and then we have a dog. Right here, there's a dog. Wait, where's the dog? Right over here, we have a dog. The brown one is a dog. And right over here is a sign for the ice cream. And this is only staff. For only staff. Right over here, we have the bat. And there's a door. So that now we can play with the Lego. Okay, now let's play. Actually, I have so many Lego. Jacob, I'm gonna play with that thing. No. No. No, no, no. Boys ready for take off. OMG, wait, what? Why is it down to you? Wait a minute, why is it down to you? Wait, You. Jacob, return that please. Jacob, can you play right over there to your... Okay. Anyway, let me just get this towel.
Where's my phone?
No. Guys, these trails that be moving now. Let's go. So actually now I think this is the end of the video. So guys, the end of the video. My video. Thanks for watching my video. So next time, bye. Please subscribe. Goodbye. And so this is a 40-minute video. I'm gonna end this video. Oh, there's a few seconds more, guys. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye.